On long journeys, a restroom isn't just a stop, it's a moment of comfort.
Introducing BathSelect showers. The bronze shower panel, an all-in-one tower of precision-grade stainless steel. Our built-in pressure balancing valve absorbs fluctuations from 40 to 80 psi. Waterfall and rainfall can be used simultaneously, no drop in pressure. Stainless steel, resistant to rust and deep-level corrosion. The Velar series, modern aesthetics met with solid stainless construction. Intelligent and safety, it includes thermostatic valve that can control both hot and cold water. Total scratchless body structure. Concealed water pipes. Minimalist profile. Stability begins at the valve, engineered for constant equilibrium. Performance starts at 29 psi. Powerful even at minimum load. Ceramic valve technology, a lifetime of leak-proof operation.
Easy to install.
Designed for the rigors of commercial duty and executive luxury. It comes with a 5-year warranty. 2 systems, 1 commitment. BathSelect showers. Experience the art of water.